Hello friends, my name is Rajiv Kumar and I am a freelance photographer and cinematographer. Making documentary films and shooting events, automobile and real estate is my primary profession. I switched to this profession after my 19 years of wonderful IT career, which gave me a wonderful exposure of travel all over the world. And it's this exposure that nurtured my love with traveling and photography. While I really love to work on the commercial projects because that's my bread and butter, the passion of making my own videos and capture stories from around the world is something I always wanted to do. Hence, I started this YouTube channel in April 2024. Now, whenever I have no commercial projects and I have free time, I am planning to travel all around India and the world and capture some interesting stories through my camera. I request you to subscribe this channel and share it and show your love for my work because I guarantee you will have some lovely content to watch here. Thanks and keep the trust on.